A denied Klover cash advance usually means the app couldn't approve your request based on your current account status, bank connection, or eligibility. Not that your account has been permanently blocked. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons a Klover cash advance gets denied, and the steps that can help you qualify again. The first thing to check is whether your bank account is still connected. Open Klover and make sure your linked bank account shows as active. If the app asks you to reconnect or verify your account, complete that process before requesting another advance. A broken bank connection can prevent Klover from reviewing your account correctly. Next, look for any alerts inside the app. Klover may display a message explaining why your request wasn't approved. Follow any instructions it provides, such as updating your account information or completing additional verification. Now make sure you're using the latest version of Klover. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install any available updates. Older versions can sometimes cause account information to sync incorrectly. If you're using Android, clear the app cache by opening Settings AES Klover, Storage, and tapping Clear Cache. If the issue continues, reinstall the app from the official App Store and sign back into your account. Your bank account activity also matters. If Klover can't access recent account information because your bank connection has expired or syncing has failed, your cash advance request may be denied until the account is updated. Refresh the linked account if the app gives you that option. Another possibility is a temporary system issue. If Klover's servers are experiencing problems, advance requests may fail, even if your account is eligible. Check Klover's official support page or social media channels to see whether other users are reporting the same issue. If there's an outage, you'll need to wait until the service is working normally again. If your request is still denied after completing these steps, avoid submitting repeated requests one after another. Instead, review your account information, confirm everything is current, and try again after the app has successfully synced your account. When nothing changes, contact Klover support through the app or their official website. Include your phone model, operating system version, app version, and the exact message shown when your cash advance is denied. That information helps the support team identify whether the issue is related to your account or a technical problem. To recap, reconnect your bank account, update Klover, check for in-app verification requests, refresh your account information, and confirm there isn't a temporary server issue. Working through those steps in order resolves many cash advance request problems. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick app troubleshooting guides.